Hi, welcome back. Now in this lesson we will continue learning how to set up Dolibarr to meet our business requirements. And as you remember, when we first opened Dolibarr, there was two mandatory setup parameters that were saying not defined. First was the information, the company information, the business information, and the second one is saying the modules applications. And again, to access this and to set it up, we can simply by clicking this link here, okay, or we can go to the left menu, Dolibarr main menu, and choosing modules applications from here. If we click on this, it will take us to the modules and application, Dolibarr application list. And as you can see, we have a lot of applications and modules that can be activated within Dolibarr. Honestly, as a start, we are not going to need all of that, but let's go briefly over them and activate what we need. First, in the human resource management modules, we can see there is like 4 applications: the user and groups, the members, the leave request management, and the expense report. The users and the groups is already required by Dolibarr. You cannot deactivate it. It's activated by default. You cannot deactivate that. But what we need is like we can activate the expense report. This we need it like if your business having employees, sometimes the business has some expenses, like if you say like a business trip, like transportation, like some logistics, it will be an expenses, and your employee had to report it to you, and this done by using this expense reports. Okay, here in the customer relation management, the CRM, we can find the third parties, the proposal, the customer orders, shipments, contracts, subscriptions, interventions, all these things. And what we need here to help us manage our business, we can say the third parties. Third parties actually is about like who your business dealing with. Third party can be a vendor, third party can be a customer, third party can be like a prospect, the entities your business is dealing with, whether at this moment or maybe in the future or perhaps at the past. The proposals, it's about the commercial proposals. If you want to create like a quote or something for your customer, you do it through proposals. So we will activate that also. The customer's order, it explains itself. It's about the orders that your customers are making and you want to log it into your system, so we need that. The shipments, if you want to like follow up your customer orders, if about their shipments, delivery dates, times, and the things that related to, let's say, a product delivery to your customer. So also we need that. Contracts and subscriptions, we don't need that much, along with the intervention management at this moment, as we are just basically trying to learn how to manage our business with Dolibarr. The vendor relation management, it's about the suppliers. So we need that also, especially if we deal with the suppliers within our business. So we need suppliers for sure. And we need also their proposals to create the proposals and get the prices out of the vendors, like the price list or these things. So we need that. In the financial modules, also we have like multiple of these. We have the invoices, the taxes, the payment of the employee wages, loan, donations, bank, direct payment orders, margins, accounting, and accounting advance. First, we need invoices. We need invoices module to create invoices for our product, for our suppliers, for our vendors, all these things. For all these things, we need invoices. As we will deal with taxes, the VAT, the sales tax, these things, so we need this module. Payment of employee wages. Now, if your business having like multiple employee, let's say you have a small business, a small company, have multiple, like 4 or 5, whatever, number of employees, and you need to document their salaries as expenses of your business. To do that, sorry, to do that, we need payment of employee wages. So we will activate this module also. Loan, donations. Honestly, I don't think that we need that at this moment. Banks and cash, yeah, we need that. This to create like the accounts, the bank accounts, the cash accounts that we need to like log our financial transaction on. If it's like, let's say you have a cashier, a cash account, you have like a bank account for like paying your employee salaries, for paying your vendors, these things. So we need banks and account. Direct bank payment orders, this we don't need. Margins, accounting, also margins with accounting and accounting advance. Here we have like these two modules. If you are going to have like, you know, advanced accounting, you want to have like a bookkeeping system, like what you have in credit, what you have in debit, or these things, you need the advanced one. If you just want just to keep like a log of your financial transactions, you don't need bookkeeping, you don't need to do ledgering, you don't need to do like journals, you don't need the advanced one. The basic accounting module will be enough. But I'm going to activate the advanced one so we can get in more into accounting with Dolibarr. For product management, we can see we have also like multiple applications. We have products, we have services, we have stock, we have product lots, we have product variants. We need products for sure, and in case your business is providing some kind of services and not actually a product, then you can activate services instead of products. And if, let's say your business is providing both of them, like it's providing some services and some products will be like actual products, then you can activate both of them. It depends on the business. It depends on what your business is providing to its customers. Let's say we will activate like the products, and for that we will activate also the stocks. For stock management, you know, if we want to manage the stock of our products, we need to activate stocks. Then we go to projects and collaborative work. We can make use of the events or agenda where we can follow up all the things about all the activities, the events about our business. Electronic content management, we need that. This will store like the invoices, the proposals, all these things will be stored within this system. Then here in the multi-modules tools, tags and categories, we need that. So in these we can make like categories, different categories for our products, for our customers, for our vendors. We can like categorizing them. It helps us to keep our business more organized, easy to deal with. This is the editor if you like to use advanced editing, multi-currency. If your business is dealing with like different currencies, like you are doing with the US dollars, with the euros, whatever currency, you can activate that. I'm not going to activate it. The mass emailing, it's like a marketing tool for your business. We're not gonna need that at this stage. Then you have the bookmarks, the barcodes. Here you can have like a barcode management for your products. If you like, you can activate that. At this stage, again, we are not gonna need it. Workflow, data imports. If you have some data you want to import to Dolibarr, you can use this. You can use this tool. The data export, again, the same thing. You can make use of it if you like to export the Dolibarr data to other third-party application. Again, now we are in this tutorials, we are not in these lessons, we are not gonna take a look at these. It's like somehow like an advanced stage, let's say a next step, dealing with Dolibarr. Now here the website and other frontal application. At this also at this stage we are not gonna need it. Maybe we can make use of point of sale if we are using it. If you have like a product and you want to sell them, like you have, let's say, for example, like a grocery shop, for example, and you are selling these products and you want to make like a point of sale system where your employee can use it. Yeah, we can use that. Okay. And poll survey vote, we don't need it. External site, we don't need it at this time. Okay, LDAP, this is advanced APIs, Gravatar, FTP, GU, Skype. These are the services that Dolibarr can integrate with, but at this stage, we are not gonna activate them, as we are not gonna deal with them. We're not, because as I told you before, myself, I think these are advanced. So it's not like a basic thing. Then the system, you have like scheduled jobs. Again, this is like advanced debug logs. Okay, the rest I think it's advanced. And now we activated the modules that we need to facilitate our business management using Dolibarr. And this is good. We're gonna take each one of these and we're gonna explain it so we can make use of it. Just a small note to mention: if at some point you disabled some of these modules, the data that you stored within it will not fade away. It will not go. It will be there. Just Dolibarr gonna hide it from you, but the data will be still in the database. And once you activate the module again, you will gain access to it. Now as we activate it, we are gonna proceed and go to the next lessons. Keep moving. Thank you.